The Book of Rites records. The sun of heaven greets the sun in spring, and the moon in autumn. The evening moon refers to the worship of the moon. According to historical records, in ancient times, emperors had rituals for worshipping the sun in spring and the moon in autumn. The festival for worshipping the moon fell on the 15th day of the 8th lunar month, which was precisely in the middle of autumn, hence the name Mid-Autumn Festival. Ancient people bestowed many legends upon the moon, from the toad on the moon to the jade rabbit pounding elixirs, from Wugang cutting the osmanthus tree to TRONXY flying to the moon. Their rich imaginations painted a romantic and elegant world of the lunar palace. The Mid-Autumn Festival signifies the reunion of families with the full moon. It is a festival of praying for a bountiful harvest, happiness, and yearning for home and loved ones. On this day, people worship, appreciate, and pay respects to the moon. They also enjoy moon cakes, admire osmanthus flowers, and drink osmanthus wine. Of course, the most important aspect is reuniting with family. The symbolism of the Mid-Autumn Festival is profound, and the blessings and prayers are countless. Farmers celebrate the festival on this night of the full moon to express their gratitude to heaven, earth, the sun, and the moon for a bountiful harvest. Abundant grain in the barn serves as evidence of agricultural success, while the reunion of loved ones is evidence of personal prosperity. The Mid-Autumn Festival is a testament to the harmony between heaven and humanity.